Welcome to our channel, where we share tips and tricks for living a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular weight loss diets out there, the keto diet. If you're new to the keto diet, don't worry. This video is perfect for beginners. We'll be discussing everything you need to know about the keto diet, including how it works, its benefits, and a sample keto diet plan for weight loss. So, whether you're looking to shed some pounds or just want to improve your overall health, stick around to learn more about the keto weight loss journey. Benefits of the keto diet. When it comes to weight loss, the keto diet has been shown to be highly effective. By drastically reducing your intake of carbohydrates and increasing your intake of healthy fats, the keto diet can help your body enter a state of ketosis, where it begins to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. This results in rapid weight loss, particularly in the first few weeks of the diet. But weight loss isn't the only benefit of the keto diet. It can also help improve your blood sugar control, reduce your risk of heart disease, and even improve your mental clarity and focus. And because the keto diet emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods, it can also help you feel fuller and more satisfied after meals. Overall, the keto diet is a great option for those looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. However, as with any diet, it's important to do your research and speak with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your eating habits. How the keto diet works. The keto diet works by putting your body into a state of ketosis, where it begins to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. This is achieved by drastically reducing your intake of carbohydrates and increasing your intake of healthy fats. When you eat a high carbohydrate meal, your body breaks down the carbs into glucose, which is then used for energy. However, when you eat a low carbohydrate, high fat meal on the keto diet, your body has no choice but to start burning fat for energy instead. To follow a keto diet plan for weight loss, you'll want to focus on eating keto-friendly meals that are high in healthy fats and low in carbs. This means filling your plate with foods like meat, fish, eggs, avocados, nuts, and low-carb vegetables. One important thing to note is that the keto diet is a high-fat diet, not a high-protein diet. While protein is an important nutrient, consuming too much of it on the keto diet can actually kick you out of ketosis. Overall, by following a keto diet plan for weight loss and incorporating keto meals into your diet, you can train your body to burn fat for fuel and achieve your weight loss goals. Keto-friendly foods. When it comes to following the keto diet, there are plenty of delicious keto-friendly foods that you can enjoy. Some of the most popular keto-friendly foods include meat, fish, eggs, and low-carb vegetables. For example, you can create keto recipes using grass-fed beef, chicken, or turkey, which are all high in protein and healthy fats. Fish is also a great option, particularly fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs are another staple of the keto diet, as they are high in protein and healthy fats. You can enjoy eggs in a variety of ways, including scrambled, fried, or boiled. When it comes to low-carb vegetables, you have plenty of options to choose from. Some of the most popular keto-friendly veggies include broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, and zucchini. These vegetables are not only low in carbs, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. To make following the keto diet even easier, you can also do some keto meal prep. This involves preparing your meals in advance, so that you always have healthy, keto-friendly options on hand. You can prep meals like keto pizza, keto bread, and keto pancakes in advance, so that you always have something delicious and satisfying to eat. By incorporating a variety of keto-friendly foods into your diet, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious meals, while still achieving your weight loss goals. Sample keto meal plan. If you're new to the keto diet, it can be helpful to have a sample keto meal plan to get you started. Here's an example of a day's worth of meals on the keto diet plan for weight loss. Breakfast. Keto pancakes made with almond flour and topped with sliced strawberries and whipped cream. Served with a side of bacon. Snack. Hard-boiled egg and a handful of macadamia nuts. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast with a side of roasted broccoli and cauliflower drizzled with olive oil. Snack: sliced cucumber and bell pepper dipped in guacamole. Dinner: pan-seared salmon with a side of sautéed spinach and mushrooms cooked in butter. Dessert: keto-friendly chocolate mousse made with heavy cream and sugar-free chocolate chips. As you can see, each meal is based around keto-friendly foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbs. By incorporating keto meals like these into your diet, you can achieve your weight loss goals while still enjoying delicious and satisfying foods. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your keto diet plan for weight loss as needed. If you experience any negative side effects, such as fatigue or digestive issues, it may be helpful to speak with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Keto-friendly recipes. If you're looking to try some keto-friendly recipes at home, there are plenty of delicious options to choose from. Here are a few keto recipes that you can add to your meal plan, all of which can be prepared in advance through keto meal prep. Keto bread. To make keto bread, you can use a combination of almond flour, coconut flour, eggs, and baking powder. This low-carb bread is perfect for making sandwiches or toast, and it's also gluten-free. You can make a batch of keto bread at the beginning of the week and freeze it for later use. Keto pizza. To make keto pizza, you can use a cauliflower crust or a fathead dough made from mozzarella cheese, almond flour, and cream cheese. Add your favorite toppings, such as tomato sauce, cheese, and pepperoni, and bake until crispy. This keto-friendly pizza is a great option for a quick and easy dinner. Keto pancakes. To make keto pancakes, you can use almond flour, eggs, coconut flour, and baking powder. These fluffy, low-carb pancakes can be topped with butter and sugar-free syrup for a delicious breakfast. You can also add some blueberries or chocolate chips for added flavor. By incorporating these keto recipes into your meal plan, you can enjoy a variety of delicious and satisfying meals while still sticking to your keto diet plan. And by doing some keto meal prep in advance, you can make meal times even easier and more convenient. Tips for success. Starting a new diet can be challenging, but with the right mindset and some helpful tips, you can be successful on the keto diet for beginners. Here are a few tips to keep in mind as you embark on your keto journey, courtesy of Keto Rewind. Plan ahead. One of the keys to success on the keto diet is planning ahead. This means meal planning and prepping, making grocery lists, and having keto-friendly snacks on hand. When you plan ahead, you'll be less likely to reach for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Watch your macros. On the keto diet, it's important to watch your macros, which refers to your intake of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. This will help you stay in a state of ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel. Use a food tracking app or journal to keep track of your macros and ensure you're staying within your target ranges. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important on any diet, but it's especially crucial on the keto diet. This is because the body excretes more water and electrolytes on a low-carb diet. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider adding some electrolytes to your water, such as sodium and potassium. Be patient. Finally, remember that the keto diet is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. It may take time for your body to adapt to this new way of eating, and weight loss may not happen as quickly as you'd like. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. By following these tips and staying committed to your keto diet plan, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. And if you ever need some extra motivation or support, be sure to check out Keto Rewind and other helpful resources online. Conclusion. So there you have it, an introduction to the keto diet for beginners. We've covered the benefits of the keto diet, how it works, keto-friendly foods, a sample meal plan, keto-friendly recipes, and tips for success. Now, you may be wondering, is the keto diet right for me? Well, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise plan. But if you're looking for a way to jumpstart your weight loss journey and improve your overall health, the keto diet may be worth considering. So why not give the keto diet a try? Start with a keto breakfast, like some eggs and avocado, and see how you feel. You may be surprised at how delicious and satisfying keto-friendly foods can be. And who knows, you just might become a keto convert. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your keto journey.